Good morning, students. Today we will study about the morphology of cycles. The systematic position of the cycles division is it belongs to Cycadophyta, class Cycadopsida, order Cycadales, family Cycadaceae, and the genus is Cycas. Cycas is the most widely distributed species of the order Cycadales. There are about 20 species which occur in a wild state in China, Japan, Australia, Africa, Nepal, Bangladesh, Burma, and India. Four species of Cycas, Cycas circinalis, Cycas pectinata, Cycas rumphii, and Cycas bedomai occur in the natural state in India, chiefly in Assam, Orissa, Meghalaya, Andaman Nicobar Island, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Cycas revoluta and Cycas siamensis are widely grown in garden. Distribution and external morphology of Indian Cycas pectina. It is mainly distributed in Nepal, Sikkim, hills of Bihar, plain of Assam, Manipur, East Bengal. The plant is 2 to 3.5 meter in height with a crown leaves at the top of unbranched stem. The leaves are 1.5 to 2 meter long with a flat and linear leaflet. The male cone are cylindrical ovoid and about 40 centimeter long. Each megasporophyll has 4 to 6 ovules. Cycas revoluta, it is the native of China, South Japan, and is widely cultivated as a ornamental plant in India. It can be easily propagated by means of bulbils. The plant is 1.5 to 2 meter in height and has a revoluta leaflet. The male cone are cylindrical or ovoid oblong. The tomentose megasporophyll bear 2 to 4 ovules. In Cycas bedomi, it occurs in a wild state in the district of Andhra Pradesh. It has a dwarf trunk only up to 40 centimeter height and a strong revoluted leaf. The rachis is without spines, but the basal part of the rachis is covered with a tough hair. The male cones are oblong, ovoid, and the megasporophyll are ovate, lanceolate with linear teeth. Cycas circinalis, it is a common in the western part of peninsular India, Western Ghat and Orissa Hill. It is 1.5 to 3 meter in height. The leaves has more than 100 pairs of flat acuminate leaflet. The male cone are cylindrical, ovoid and tomentose megasporophyll bear up to 12 ovules. Fifth point, Cycas rumphii. The species occur in Andaman and Nicobar Island. The plant is 1.5 to 4 meter height with 1.2 meter long leaves and with 50 to 100 pairs of leaflet. The male cone are ellipsoidal and stalked, and the megasporophyll is linear, ovate, and 4 to 10 ovulate. Species of cycas are considerably economic important. Stem and seeds of several species are used for extracting starch. Young succulent leaves are used as a vegetable in some part of India, Philippines, Indonesia. Many species of cycas are widely used in indigenous system of medicine for the treatment of various ailments. The juice of the young leaves of Cycas circinalis is used as a remedy for disorder. The juice of young leaves of circinalis is used in the disorder of stomach, flatulence, blood vomiting, and skin disease. A hair wash prepared from the propounded and crushed stem of Cycas pectinata is used in Assam for the treatment of disease hair root. Decoction of the young seed of Cycas circinalis is a purgative. A tincture prepared from the seed of Cycas revoluta is used to relieve headache, giddiness, and sore throat. Pollen grains of some species of Cycas are strongly narcotic, and microsporophyll of Cycas rumphii and Cycas circinalis are used as a Anodyne, a gum obtained from the rumpy Cycas rump, is effective in healing malignant abscission. Leaves of Cycas revoluta are rich in nitrogen and they are used as a green manure for rice, sweet potato, and sugar cane. Thank you.